What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, we'll be creating a sketch illustration of Gorr, the God Butcher. Let's begin today's lesson at the top of our page and sketch a circle for the head. We'll start right in the middle at the very top. Just going to work our way around the left side of our circle. Bring that in towards the middle. And then work our way around the right side. Now with our circle in place, we're going to add a guideline coming down the center. Let's start from the very top of our circle. I'm going to use these short lines to create that line coming all the way down, just pulling our pencil towards us. Let's add another guideline on the side of our circle. So we'll start on the left, and then the right side. Now we're going to place the eyes along the bottom of our circle. So let's extend this line going out towards the left and right side. Now that we have our circle and guidelines, let's start detailing out the eyes. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve for the brow, coming in and then up. And do the same thing on the right. Now from the bottom of the brow, we're just going to curve the eye going up, then extend that out with a slight curve. And then from the end of the brow, we're going to step in, angle this down and out towards the edge of the eye. And then we'll round out the bottom of the eye. Along this line, just curve the eye coming down towards that bottom line, and then bend that back in. Now we're going to go to the inside of the brow and draw two lines coming down the bridge of the nose. So we'll bring this straight down. And then we'll locate the bottom of the nose. So right here, it's going to start with a straight line going across. And we'll angle the nostrils with a curve going up and bending that out. Let's round up the side of the nostril, go up and in towards that line. Now you want to add a thick fold underneath the eyes. From the edge of the eye, curve this down and then back up like a half circle. Now I'm going to move down from the nose and add in the mouth. We'll start with two straight angled lines coming down towards the center. Go straight across towards the side. And I'll just bend that up with a short line. Let's add in the upper lip. I'm going to step up, draw two more angled lines coming in. Angle this down and out towards the corners of the mouth. Now from the corners of the mouth, draw two straight angled lines coming in towards those lines. Close this off with a straight line. Now from here we're going to mark off the chin. From the lower lip, let's step down, just draw a straight line going across. Let's go to the corners of the mouth. We're going to curve the chin, coming down, and then just bend that in towards that bottom line. Now halfway down the chin, draw a straight angled line, going up and then out towards the side. Now I want to slope the side of the head coming in. So let's start from the side of the circle. Just going to angle this down and in towards the jaw. From the corners of the mouth, lightly sketch a line going up towards that curve. Now you want to round out the cheekbones. Starting from this line, curve this down and then in toward the side of that line. Now from here we're going to move out to the side and draw in the ears. Let's start from the top left, angle the ear going up and out. Come straight down towards that eye line. And we'll angle this down and in towards the side of the head. Now from here we're going to wrap that cape around the neck. Let's start on the left side underneath the jaw. Curve this down and in towards the center. Angle this down and out. And we'll curve this across and then up towards the right jaw. Let's go back underneath the earlobes. Draw two straight lines coming down. I'm just going to add a fold coming down and in. Let's move down from the earlobes, draw a straight angle line, coming down the shoulders, and then we'll add another fold, just curving this down and in. Now we're going to add one more fold on the outside. Stepping down from that point, just round out the shoulders, going out and then down towards the side. Now that we have a rough sketch in place, let's go back and erase some of these guidelines. Now we're going to move in with the tip of our pencil and start adding some detail and just refining the shape of the eyes. Just adding a few folds along the top. Just thicken up the bottom, just fade that out as we come in. And we'll darken up the inside of the eye. Just going to add that shadow coming down. And using the side edge of our pencil, we're just going to darken up that fold. And just gradually fade that out as we come down towards that line. And we're just going to go back and enhance those folds. Add a shadow just underneath the brow. And using the side edge of our pencil, we're just going to refine the edge of the nose. And we're just adding a little bit more shape to the tip of the nose, going up towards the nostrils. Go back and lightly trace out the bottom edge of the iris. Just tucking that in underneath the brow. And we'll lightly add a shadow across the top. And moving down, we're just going to darken up the edge of the mouth. Trace the outside of the lip, and darken up the inside. add a heavy shadow just underneath the lip, coming down towards the chin, and just blend that out towards the sides. And from here, just going to work our way around the chin. And now we're going to move out and add some detail to the cheeks and the jawline. Now we're going to add a dark shadow just underneath the head, going along the inside of the cape. Now we're going to move up and start adding some shape to the ears. going to move up and start tracing out the contour of the head. And we'll add a light shade to the entire head on the top. We'll add a little bit of a shadow along the inside edge of the left side. I'm going to add those markings across the sides of the head. So we'll start with these little cross-hatched lines, just to act as a guide. Then we'll add a light shadow in between those lines, just fading them out as they come down. And as we get closer to the end of our drawing, we'll tighten up our detail and add a little bit more shadows, and always be sure to sign your artwork. And that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of Gorr the God Butcher. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.